Hey folks, you've probably heard the claim that the miracle of the oil in Hanukkah was just made up by the rabbis later in the Talmud, since it's not mentioned in the books of Maccabees. In fact, 2nd Maccabees gives a different reason for the 8-day holiday, connecting it to the holiday of Sukkos, the Feast of Tabernacles. But that's not the full story. Let's break it down with some common sense. First of all, the Talmud isn't pulling this out of thin air. It's quoting from Megillas Tainus, which is the oldest record of the oral Torah. Some scholars date it to as early as 40 in the Common Era, way back in the 1st century. That's earlier than most of the books in what the Christians call the New Testament, which came later. So this isn't some late invention. It's an ancient tradition, preserved orally and written down in the earliest time of our writing of the oral Torah. Plus, the books of Maccabees were only preserved by the church. Jewish communities not only didn't keep them as part of their canon, we did not preserve these books at all. Not only that, most scholars agree that parts of these books are missing or abridged. For example, 2nd Maccabees is often thought to be either a summary or a portion of a longer work that's lost. So the absence of the oil miracle there doesn't prove anything. And honestly, it's possible that the church altered these texts over time, just as they did with Josephus and other Jewish writings that they preserved while we Jews didn't. So the bottom line is, the miracle of the oil is rooted in ancient records, not something the rabbis fabricated centuries later. It's part of our enduring tradition, and so at the very last moments of the Hanukkah holiday, I wish you a happy Hanukkah and the best blessings in this very special day of Sos Hanukkah. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We'll see you later.